Is your Galaxy A54 struggling with bad reception, dropping calls, and glacially slow data speeds? Don't panic just yet. There are a few potential fixes you can try. Solution 1. Check signal strength. Weak cellular signals prevent your phone from maintaining a stable connection. Start by checking how many signal bars your A54 currently has. Check the signal strength meter. You want 3 to 4 bars minimum. If showing 1 to 2 bars only, move closer to a window and see if it improves. Solution 2. Disable battery optimization. Battery optimization can interfere with network services, preventing them from getting full signal access. Turn it off for key apps. Now, there is no specific option for disabling battery optimization like before. But what you can do is to turn off some of the features and remove or add specific apps for specific functions. To do this, you go to the settings, battery. Select background usage limits. There are 4 options here. You can choose put unused apps to sleep to allow the device to choose which app should be put to sleep, or choose the other options. They're self-explanatory. You can just add or remove app. If you choose the first one, which is recommended, see if turning it off can resolve the issue. Solution 3. Reset network settings. Clearing stored network connections can force your A54 to reestablish signal recognition from scratch. Here's how. Go into Settings. General Management. Reset. Select Reset Network Settings. Re-enter any saved Wi-Fi passwords after reset completes. Solution 4. Software Update. Install any available software updates, which often include network performance improvements. Here's how. Open Settings and go to Software Update. Tap Download and Install if an update is available. Follow prompts to download and install the latest update.